Hi, I'm doing this. So this is an old bank PC that my buddy gave me. I'm gonna start off by completely taking it apart so I can paint the inside of the case black. And I end up painting all the little pieces, little plastic pieces red for a cool black and red look. You'd think I was doing an AMD build with this aesthetic, but I'm not. Sorry. I'm not sorry. I cut a big hole in the case cover too, so I could put that mesh in there, that honeycomb mesh. It's about as cool as I can make it look. Plus more airflow. And there's the case, all painted. Isn't it sexy? And there's those little red pieces I was talking about. Scratched them up real good getting them in there, but you'll never notice. Putting in the front panel connectors. Nice job, Damon. You blocked the camera. Genius. Like a glove. Case fan going in. Got a new one of those with a 4-pin connector so I can actually control the fan speed. There's the RAM I'm using, just 2 of the 4 sticks. I went way too overkill with this, but I did it for the aesthetic. 700 watt power supply, why not? Little SSD cooler. You don't really see those often. But I had to go for it because, oh, look at those little copper pipes. And that little baby fan on there, it's so cute, I had to. Two more sticks of RAM. They're each 32 gigabytes per stick of DDR4 3600 megahertz. A couple of SSDs, you already know. In my DisplayPort splitter there, a little red GPU stand up there, and an Ethernet card that I'm not going to be using because I have a better one. And there it is. And a GPU stand that I'm not going to be using because I got that sexy red one. This right here is overkill too. I'm never going to need internet this fast. 10 gig SFP plus network adapter. Couple of fans. The star of the show, my new motherboard, the MSI Mag Mortar Z390M. No LED, not a fan of LEDs. Keep it simple, stupid. Cute little I/O shield, can't complain. And the CPU. i9-9900K. Also overkill, but I wanted it. CPU cooler, big old Noctua cooler. I'm doing direct eye cooling, which is why I took that CPU cover off. And the GPU. RTX 3050 LPOC. It's a little guy, but it's powerful. Cute little note that came with my motherboard. eBay sellers wanted to make sure I was happy, and they ended up giving me a couple more cute little notes. So wholesome, had to shout it out. And then repasting the GPU, because why not, man? Pays to be safe. You gotta get any extra degrees of cooling that you can. Then polishing up the CPU die, getting it nice and clean for that direct die cooling. I should be wearing gloves during this. Little T-Rex hand action. I know I put the screw in the wrong spot there. Don't worry, I fix it. Oh my god, that wire tucking took forever. That was a lot of stuff to jam into that tiny little case. But oh man, was it worth it. Look at this thing. Oh, it's gorgeous. Worked out nicely. Here's the first boot up. You guys are going to be so proud of me. This is my first ever PC build and it boots up first try. No issues at all. Hold your applause. I know. I'm the best. got all my fans hooked up to my fan controller. All of them looking good and healthy. Installing all my drivers, making sure everything's good to go. Now checking what I have everything overclocked to, aka the stats for nerds. Is my RAM and my CPU. Speed's looking good. And now my GPU, that's what I was able to get it up to. User benchmark. Pause if you want to check it out. That's it. Bye.